Hello guys, Tamsak 13. Mega love shout out guys. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. I gonna go to work, first day of work ngayon. Kaya medyo tayo ay busy.
Nasend ko na lahat ha.
Ay, si Dongting.
Nasend ko na lahat. Pwede na ako tapos na kasi. Wala na, tapos na. Tapos ako, mag-ina ako.
Ayan, mag-in na daw si Dongting. Kaya tapos na rin ako ng pag-RW ni Dongting. Okay, mega love shout out sa lahat. Good morning. Good evening. AutoCAD Politica for Leonardo Lopez. Mega love shout out. MLSO, my friend. Thank you for coming to the live. Thank you, my friend. And I will wait for another probably 7 minutes so that I can make I'm gonna make a highlights. Thank you, AutoCAD. I appreciate your coming. Okay, and I will visit your house. Uy, Dong, katatapos ko lang mag-ano mo, Dong, nagpalaro ka pala, Dong. You're having a game. Pero doon ako nag-rewatch tong kay Lena kasi busy itong main account ko, Dong. Thank you, Dong. Thank you for being here sa live. Busy ngayon because it's the first day of work. And hayaan ko lang ito probably 3-4 hours. And I go to work. Wala na, oy, nagduwa na miss ko anong tanawa sa akong live sa FB, nagaduwa na miss si Kuya nimo sa pickleball. Hello, Inday Julie, bakit hindi ka nag-live? I radio, hello Nympha, hello I radio. Thank you for coming to the live. Inday Julie, I'm here in your cat tuna food. Oh, marami na pala itong Day. Marami na palang nanood. Ayan, oh. MLSO, Titski Bells, Indong, Tinski, nandyan si Julita Tabaw. Inday Julie, hindi ka na nag-live, Day? Bakit? Why you didn't go live, Inday Jol? Minumute ko lang, Day, pero ito yun, Day, oh. Nanood ako doon sa, Tapos manood ako doon sa Nympha TV, ha. Nympha TV 2, I will watch. Because, I don't know. I'm not in trouble yet for iRadio MLSO. I'm not in trouble yet for using 2 phones, the same account. Tapos ang isa nag-live, ang isa is nag-watch ng video. Hindi pa naman ako na in trouble, but I hope I will not be in trouble. Mega love shout out 30. Oh my God. Ang dami 30. 30 eyes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, 30 eyes. Julita Tabaw, hello. I read you. I said, Julita Tabaw. Okay, you guys have each other there. I will just make a highlight for this one, guys. That's why I was waiting. It will be a little bit longer so that I can engage with some. Okay, I'm done with yours in the Julie, and then I will go to I will switch my other account to Nympha TV 2 so that that's gonna be the one to engage. Okay, AutoCAD was the first one to come. Wow, 46. Ang dami naman 46. Comment kayo dyan. I want more comment. Hold on. Let me go to AutoCAD. Okay, I will pin your message. Okay, I will pin your okay, please go to the pin, guys. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, let me see. Where's AutoCAD? AutoCAD was the first one. Oh, I read you on AutoCAD. And go to channel. Okay. AutoCAD, you're +1. Because Nimpa TV2 will engage with you because I don't want to. Oh, nag-live ako kanina, day. Ay, kanina, tin, nag-live ka, nag-live ka kanina, day, Julie? Nabali noon. Okay, AutoCAD. AutoCAD, I'm in here right now. Day, Julie, I will just rewatch you, okay? RW lang ako, day, hindi ko alam. Baka natulog pa ako or baka umalis. Yeah, dan ako nag-rewatch kay Dongting. Mag-rewatch ako sa iyo, day, para pang dagdag ng 3K ninyo. Oh no, 4K pala. 4K watch hours so that may harang na. Thank you very much, my friend Ninfa. Thank you. I read you. You're always there when I do the live. Oh, this time I didn't get the sweldo from YT. Kulang eh. Kulang. Tingnan ko nga, day, Julie, nag-live ka, hindi ko nakita. Baka tulog pa ako nung nag-start ka. And then when I woke up, I went to play pickleball. Ito lang, Kat. Oh, mayroon pala. Stream 5 hours ago. 4 hours and 2 minutes. Ito, day, ipanood ko ito kay Macho Guapo, day, ha? Ito, kasi busy pa. Man, ito na lang muna, day, ang para sa'yo. 4 hours. Okay, magtamsak ako. Si Macho Guapo. Okay, mega love shoutout. Nakakatuwa naman si Inday Poch. Kasi kanina, oh, may harang na, day, oh. Tingnan mo, day, oh. Tingnan mo, day, Joel. May harang. Ayan. Yan ang sayo, oh. Nakaharang na, kaya hayaan ko lang yan, day. Okay, for AutoCAD, I'm done. And then, let me, AutoCAD, if you're still there, I have engaged with you. My dear friend Ninfa, full support to your channel with 4 likes. Okay, thank you, my friend. I read you. Do you have a new upload? I read you, my friend. Yeah, maybe I don't want to use my other phone and then the same account, the one that's live, and then the other one is doing engagement, because probably I'm gonna be in trouble. But I am not in trouble yet, so I don't want that it will be trouble later. So that's why I just support my Ninfa TV too. But if I'm done, and then if I can see the one that I did not engage yet, then I will use my main account when I'm done doing the live. But for now, I'm still magkano na, ate? Sa akin, day, kulang pa mga $70. Padagdagan ko na lang yun sa asawa ko. But I will get it next month because it's already the ano na ba ngayon? First na yata dyan. Dito 30 pa, June 30 pa ngayon. So, I will ask my husband to add more money. Maybe buy, ito na dayo si si Macho Guapo dahil nag-watch na sa mo, sa live mo. Padagdagan ko sa asawa ko dahil so that I can get it. No matter what. Tapos mayroon naman tayong mga membership, kaya yon. Makakakuha din tayo in due time, in God's time. Okay, I'm gonna make a highlight